Hello everyone, I'm Louise Rollason and I teach English as a foreign language. And welcome to this presentation on the investment industry. I thought I would start a series of videos on specific industries. Today we'll explore the basics of stock markets and investment funds, covering essential vocabulary and concepts. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding these fundamentals is crucial, and I hope you'll improve your English along the way. So without further ado, what is the stock market? Well, the stock market is a marketplace where investors buy and sell shares of publicly traded companies. It operates through exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ, the London Stock Exchange, Euronext Paris, Shanghai Stock Exchange, etc., etc. The point is, all around the world, people are buying and selling pieces of companies. Key vocabulary, we have stocks and shares, which is a unit of ownership in a company. An exchange is a platform where stocks are traded. Publicly traded means a company that has sold shares to the public. So how does the stock market work? Well, when you buy a stock, you are purchasing a small piece of that company. You become a shareholder. The value of your investment can go up or down based on the company's performance and other market factors. But your money helps the company raise funds and invest and grow. Some companies pay dividends to their shareholders from their profits. Others reinvest and do not pay dividends. In the markets, you might see a bull market, a period when stock prices are rising. A bear market is the opposite, when stock prices fall. A dividend, a portion of a company's earnings given to shareholders. Now, buying and selling stocks. Investors buy and sell stocks through brokers. When you decide to invest, you place an order through a brokerage account. These days it can all be done online with online brokers such as DeGiro and IBKR. You can set buy and sell orders. Either a market order, which means buy or sell immediately at whatever the current market price is, or a limit order where you fix a specific price that you are willing to buy or sell at. Once you have a collection of shares, you can say you have a portfolio. Now, what are investment funds? Investment funds pool money together from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. You might look for a fund that specializes in technology, green energy, the arts, or whatever you are interested in or want to invest in for other reasons. A mutual fund is one of these funds that pools money and has a diversified portfolio. It's managed by professionals, professional fund managers. And when you invest, you buy a share of that fund. There are also ETFs, or exchange traded funds, which is a type of fund traded as a whole on stock exchanges, like a stock. These can be bought and sold just like stocks, and they often track an index and might also be called index funds. You might find a hedge fund, which is an aggressively managed portfolio that uses advanced strategies for high returns. But remember that high returns means high risk, which means the possibility of high losses. Diversification is the point of spreading investments across various assets, perhaps to reduce a risk. And an index is a benchmark that represents a segment of the market. Now we look at some strategies. Different strategies cater to different investor goals, and it is essential that as an investor you are clear on your goal. For example, do you want to make a long-term investment? Try to buy low and sell high quickly? Perhaps you want to research companies currently undervalued so the stock is cheaper and Perhaps you're also someone looking for an income where you might receive regular dividends on your investment. So we have growth investing, where people focus on companies that are expected to grow at an above average rate. Value investing, where you look for an undervalued stock, so it's already trading at less than it should. Income investing, where you want something that will pay you an income. Now, risk and reward. Investing always involves risk. Higher potential returns often come with higher risk. You need to be crystal clear on your own risk tolerance. Some people are truly prepared to lose everything, but others would be devastated if that happened. For those with a high risk tolerance, volatile companies that make great gains, although followed by great losses, might be what they're looking for. But if you have a low risk tolerance or perhaps high blood pressure, you will be happier with companies that make steady growth over a long period of time. Risk tolerance, this is the degree of variability that you are willing to withstand. All right. And your capital gain, that is the profit you make from the sale on an investment. Now we see some more common investment terms. Asset allocation, where you distribute investments among different categories, stocks, bonds, cash. Blue chip stocks, for example, a company like Apple would be in this category, where you look for very large, reputable and financially solid companies. The word liquidity is also thrown around quite a lot, the ease at which an asset can be converted into cash. Now, there is a list of lots of common investment keywords on the free transcript that you can download from the investment box. In the description box, oh my goodness, investment on the brain. So, in conclusion, investing in the stock market and through investment funds can be a rewarding way to build wealth, but it requires knowledge and strategy. By understanding key concepts and vocabulary, you can make informed decisions and navigate the investment landscape more effectively. Make sure you are well informed, aware of your risk tolerance, and understand the terms. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Please remember, invest wisely. It is a skill that can significantly impact your financial future. Please feel free to ask any questions or share your thoughts on the investment industry. Thank you for your attention. Please like, share and subscribe for more content to help you progress in your English skills. Remember, English might be your passport to a promotion. Bye for now. See you in the next video.